It's spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Hey, Spirit Boosters, welcome back to the channel. Welcome any and all new subscribers. I totally welcome you. Thank you for having the nerve, the guts, the courage, the bravery, the audacity to bring your ash back to this channel to watch this video. I know that a lot of you love grocery haul videos, so here I am, Miss JENITA, back again to entertain you with one of my many grocery hauls. And particularly this haul has a lot of sauces in it because I'm sure most of you have heard about the tomato crop shortage that's here and coming and soon to be worse. So I have been collecting up on my sauce, not a lot, but enough, just in case. You see, in California, the gas is over $7, going on $8. In some areas, it's probably $10. Ridiculous. Unaffordable gas prices. I guess the president is working on this issue. I don't know how soon it will be resolved. Maybe some of you can leave comments in the comment section and leave your thoughts, views, ideas, suggestions about it. It's all welcome. This is a spirit boosting channel about many issues. Some, like that high price gas, isn't a spirit boosting issue. No way. Okay, as you can see, I have 8 cans of the Hunt's pasta sauce, which is on sale at Food for Less, 4 for $5. I have 4 meat, and I have 2 garlic and herb, and 2 traditional. This is a low carb, low sugar product, but it is high on the sodium side, but the sodium can be diluted because you will be adding pasta, veggies, and whatever else that will absorb the salt, which will lower the sodium content because it's going in other, foods that have been added to the sauce. So think of it that way. So you won't be saying, oh, this is not a very good diet approved item, but yes, it is. Just don't eat a lot of it. Have your meals where they can be, spaced out with certain, well, not so far as spaced out, but where you can have, some days you'll have pasta, or some weeks you'll have pasta. You won't have it on a weekly basis, but on a monthly basis, you might not want to have pasta every other week. Maybe 3 weeks a month you can eat pasta, or the Hunt's spaghetti sauce, pasta sauce can be used in many dishes. Chicken cacciatore, you can use it on lasagna, chili mac, or any meat that you want to have a tomato-y flavor. And also, if you did not know, tomato sauce is a great seasoning for many of your dishes to bring out more flavor of your food. You don't use a lot, you use just a little. If any of you know this, please say so in the comment section, because all of your friendly, spirit boosting comments, suggestions, well wishes are all welcome all the time. So please feel free to leave your comments in the comment section, or use an emoji if you don't feel like speaking. That's why I say, have courage, bravery, the audacity, the nerve, the guts. Come on now. Use an emoji if you don't want to say anything. That's fine too. Let me know that you're out there and you're watching and you love what you're seeing on this channel. Okay, moving on. So that's how about the Hunt's pasta sauce. All the stuff I can think of. I know there's a lot more, and I know a bunch of you probably have even more ideas on how to use this Hunt's pasta sauce. And if you would like to share in the comment section, please do so, because there's a lot of folks in here that would love to hear about your ideas and to help them with how to make more meals using a Hunt's pasta sauce. Now, my husband got this. He went shopping for this food. I didn't go, but he also bought us some Las Palmas enchilada sauce. We got the red sauce, 2 cans. Now the Las Palmas, let's see, let's see the sodium count on the Las Palmas. It has some money saving coupons when you buy 2, which my husband, he forgot to use them. And this is a low sugar, low carb, even low sodium sauce, Las Palmas. How about that? So like I say, when you add other ingredients into this sauce, the sodium count will be diluted, which is a great thing. So if any of you guys didn't know about enchilada sauce, Las Palmas is a great product. No, I'm not being paid by saying this about this stuff. I just like to share what we eat and what we like to use, and if it's a little healthy for us, because for example, I had to change my diet to lower my blood pressure and diabetes too. You can reverse it when you change your way you eat and have a more healthy lifestyle, exercise and diet, and the folks around you. So stay healthy. Okay, also my husband, he got us some of this sweet relish. We love sweet relish in our food because it brings out the flavor in a potato salad and eat it on hot dogs with the mustard and all that. But sweet relish, he got them little specks of red pepper in there. We love it. We love our sweet relish, which was $2.49. It's a 24-ounce jar. You see Kroger, but it's Food for Less. Kroger, Food for Less is family. Okay, he also got me some of these peas and carrots. They on sale at Kroger this week, 10 for 10, so they're $1 a bag. So I got 2 bags of the peas and carrots, and this is just the ingredients in here is just peas and carrots. You little sugar, low sodium, low sugar, low carb. Where we at? Where the carb? Yep, low carbs. Y'all see that? Okay, so I got 2 bags of that. And he also got me 3 bags of the carrots, which is great for my diet. So you guys, I hope you enjoy this grocery haul for today that I'm sharing with you. And if you have something to share, please let me know in the comments section. And Miss JENITA is very busy as always. Remember, stay in survival mode. If you're collecting food, if you're still stocking your pantries, let me know. I know that sometimes y'all think Miss JENITA be on a rant every video, but no. This video is strictly about a grocery haul. Boop, boop. Don't you guys forget to check out my crafting channel, because I am creating stories, creating more characters. And don't forget to check out my gardening channel, because I'm going to be soon uploading a video with my new plants. I'm so excited. I am so excited. Okay, now you know Miss JENITA is very busy, so I'm gone. Thank you for watching, and welcome, 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 Spirit Boosters. It's Spirit Boosting time.